As a part of virtual laboratory with Logisim, the next experiment is the encoder and the decoder. Now we will construct encoder first and after that decoder. So if you look at the encoder, to construct design and implementation of encoder and decoder, we require the gates. Following gates are required. We require a NAND gate, we require OR gate, we require NOT gate. So with this quantity is required. And apart from those gates, with AND gates also we can construct the encoder circuit. This is the encoder circuit which consisting of 7 inputs and 3 outputs. So look at the formula for the outputs. A is nothing but here y4, y5, y6, y7. By adding y4, y5, y6, y7 we will get A. With B you will get y2, y3, y6, y7, and C is y1, y3, y5, y7. So look at the table, then you will get a clear idea regarding what to do. So these are the inputs for the encoder. Total 7 inputs are there, different combinations you can see, and 3 outputs. Here for A, if you look at here, this is y4, y5, y6, y7. These wherever A is 1, the corresponding inputs if you take, those inputs are y4, y5, y6, y7. Similarly for B, it is y2, y3, y6, y7. Similarly for C output, the corresponding inputs are y1, y3, y5, y7. So now in the Logisim, we will construct the circuit similarly. So we will take first 7 inputs. I am taking inputs here. I have taken 7 inputs and the corresponding wires also I am drawing here. First one, that is the y1, this is y2, this is y3, y4, y5, y6, y7. I will give the labels for this. This is y1, this is y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7. Now inputs are ready. Now as per the circuit, look at the circuit. As per the circuit we require OR gates. The first output A is the combination of y4, y5, y6, y7. So here in the Logisim I have the option to take OR gate. I have taken one OR gate. So here I will take 4 inputs for this OR gate. Instead of taking 2 inputs for OR gate, I will take 4 input OR gate. And the same thing I will take for B. Same thing I will take for C also. That means 4 input OR gates. Now as per the formula, A is equal to y4, y5, y6, y7. So I will take connections from y4, y5, y6, y7. And next coming to the B is y2, y3, y6, y7. y2, y3, y6, y7. And for C, y1, y3, y5, y7. y1, y3, y5, y7. So corresponding to each OR gate we have 3 outputs. Now I will connect outputs. This output I call as A, this output I call as B, this output I call as C, and this is the circuit of 7:3 encoder circuit. Now we will verify the circuit. So as per the formula we can see, so A is the combination. A you will get output 1 whenever y4 or y5 or y6 or y7 are 1. So if I make y4 1, the output you will get at A. I will give names also for this. So this is A, this is B, this is C. Now whenever I give input to y4 or y5 or y6 or to y7 or to any one of these combinations, if we give any one of these combination, other things will go. So only when y7, so you will get the output whenever y7 is on. y6, whenever y6 is on, you will get output at A. Whenever y5 is on, you will get output at A. Whenever y4 is on, you will get output at A. So it is nothing but the combinations. So as per the table, whatever table is given in this, y1 is 1. So in that case, A, B, C value should be 0, 0, 1. I will put y1 is equal to 1. Look at here, I put y1 is equal to 1. Now see the value 0, 0, 1. This table we will verify. Now A, B, C values are 0, 0, 1. Next, if I make y2 1 and remaining all zeros, then I will get combination 0, 1, 0. If I put y3, then I will get 0, 1, 1. If I put y4, I will get 1, 0, 0. If I give y5, I will get 1, 0, 1. If I give y6, I will get 1, 1, 0. If I give y7, 1, 1, 1. So corresponding to the whatever input we have given, the corresponding output is encoded in this circuit. So this is the encoder circuit. Similarly, we will see the decoder circuit also how to construct. So we will take 3:8 decoder. Look at this circuit here. Forget about this now. This is a 2:4 decoder. 2 inputs, 4 outputs are there. And similarly, we can take 3 inputs, 8 outputs, different combinations we can take. Here, decoder can be constructed with respect to the table. So earlier case we have constructed with direct circuit. Now we will take the table for the decoder. In the decoder, we will take a circuit like this. We know how many inputs are required. So inputs are 3 that are required: A, B, and C. So now I am going to construct 3:8 decoder. So that's why 3 inputs are taken, and outputs I will give names like y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7. All 8 outputs are taken. Now look at the table with 3 inputs, 8 outputs. Now when 0, 0, 0 is there, I want to on only y0. I will make y0 1, and the remaining all things I will put 0. And similarly, when 0, 0, 1 is there, then this value will be 1 and remaining all values will be 0. Or we will take like this, because 8 combinations are there. I will make the first case for 0, 0, 0 all are 0. For 0, 0, 1 I will make this value 1. Like that, whatever way you would like to have, you can take. Now I am taking this as 1. And next case I am taking this as 0. And next case I am taking this as 1 and remaining all zeros, because here I have taken 3 inputs and 8 outputs. With y0 to y7 the 8 inputs are there, so I can arrange in this way. For fourth case I will make this one and remaining all zeros, and for fifth case I will make this value as 1, y4 as 1 and remaining all values zeros. And for number 5, for 101, I will make this y5 as 1 and remaining all are zeros. For number 6, 110, I will make y6 as 1 and remaining all zeros. For 111 I will make all zeros except y7. Now look at here. So now for 3 inputs the corresponding decoder outputs you can see. Now if you want to see the expression also, you can see for y0 this is the expression, for y1 this is the expression, for y2 this is the expression. You can see all expressions, and how y0 is calculated, how y0 expression is taken with respect to corner map, that also you can see, and what is y1 expression, what to y2 expression, and all these things you can see here. So now I will construct a circuit. I will click build circuit. It is asking 2 input gates, and using NAND gates, using any circuit we can construct, any gates we can construct. Now I am taking NAND gate, with only NAND gates I am going to construct. Click OK. So now I got the circuit of 3:8 decoder. Here 3 inputs are there, 8 outputs are there. Now you can see all 0 0 0, that's why y0 is 1. If I give 0 0 1, y1 will be activated. If I give 0 1 0, y2 will be activated. If I give 0 1 1, y3 will be activated. If I give 1 0 0, y4 will be activated. If I give 1 0 1, y5 will be activated. If I give 1 1 0, y6 will be activated. If I give 1 1 1, y7 will be activated. So whatever value that you are applying at the input, the corresponding output line only will be activated. For 0 0 0, y0, for 1 1 1, y7. So this is the construction of the decoder using Logisim.